Hey everybody, here with OneGauge today to tell you about a new feature that we're going to be adding to a lot of our vehicles. These are instrument cluster specific plugs available from NewRad solutions. So we will wire them up for you, so it basically provides a plug and play option for many of our OneGauge setups. Now they're going to vary by your make and model, so you'll want to check your product page, but they're going to provide things like your turn signal wiring, power and ground for the unit, some indicator lights, maybe like high beams, parking brake, and then some basic coolant temperature, oil pressure, fuel level, those types of gauges. So we're excited about this. These are really quality harnesses that NewRad makes. Now it's important that we don't make these, so if you're looking for some for your vehicle, you'll want to reach out to NewRad's directly, and maybe if you can get a group together to show some interest, they'll be able to make one for your vehicle specifically. So again, check the product page. We'll have a lot of the details about what gauges are supported for each one, but we're really excited to offer these plug and play harnesses. I'm going to take a couple minutes now to show you how they plug in, how to prepare for that installation, just to check over your plug and make sure that everything is good to go. So one thing that's going to be really important with these plug and play setups is that you check for voltage on the pins that are connected to the OneGauge. So for example, this is my 79 Bronco plug, the other end of the plug that I showed you earlier. We'll plug it in here in a second, but I want to check and make sure that the fuel level pin has no voltage even with the vehicle on. So if voltage is sent from the vehicle, if you send 12 volts to the OneGauge, it will damage the OneGauge. So we want to check these pins to make sure that there is no voltage on each one. So you can use your multimeter, probe each of the pins as you would with anything else, just to see if there's any voltage on those. We will have a list on our website and in the instructions for these plug and play kits of what pins you should expect voltage on. You can't see it in this video, but these pins are numbered so you can easily determine where you should be seeing voltage and where you shouldn't. So we want to make sure to test that, because if anybody's done any modification to your wiring, or there's maybe a wiring that's incorrect, then we want to make sure we don't accidentally damage the OneGauge before we install it. All right, so we've got everything installed as it should be. Just going to give a quick demo. So you can see, hopefully in the upper left there, I've got a fuel reading. Got a lot of my other readings already coming through. We can go to a different gauge screen, maybe see it a little bit better. And if I kick on the unit, you'll be able to see the tach and everything pop up and start working. So yeah, at least for the basics, we are good to go. So as you can see, this is going to make installation much easier. Again, we're going to add this to as many vehicles as we can, as many as NewRad makes these connectors for. If you're looking for your vehicle to be supported, you want a plug and play connector for your vehicle, reach out to NewRad. They're constantly adding new vehicles that are supported, so we'll be trying to keep up with them and continue to offer these for more and more vehicles. Really appreciate it. Go visit our website and reach out to us. If you have any questions, feel free to email us. And if you have any concerns while you're doing the install, any voltage that doesn't match what it should be, please reach out before you do the installation so that nothing gets broken. Again, thanks for watching our video. And we're so grateful for all the support that you guys have given us here at OneGauge, and have a great day.